How to get refund money in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get refund money in Shopee. First of all, open Shopee.com in your web browser. Click on the username to open your profile. Click on My Purchase from the left bar menu. Click on Help from the top right corner. Your Help Center page will open in the new tab. It may take a while to load. Click on Return and Refunds. Here are some raising requests like what kind of products are not allowed for physical return. You can take help with how I request perishable goods or what happens after a seller receives my return or refund request. Now open the Shopee customer service team in a new tab. Select what type of user you are as a buyer and what your inquiry is about in this service team form. Select return or refund. Enter your Shopee username, email address, and order ID. You can add descriptions about your product and can upload files. Add a description that I want to refund. That's how you can get refund money in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.